One of the biggest things to happen so far this summer in the SEO world is Google's big algorithm leak. More than 2,500 pages and 14,000 lines of code detailing Google's search ranking mechanisms were leaked, and they accidentally were made public via the internal API documentation on GitHub. Lucky for you, this tells us a lot about what we can do to improve and optimize SEO for websites, for businesses, for anyone that wants to improve their ranking within the algorithm within Google search, which, as you know, is super important to getting more traffic, getting more sales, getting more bookings, getting more clients, all the stuff that businesses depend on. So I'm going to go through the biggest takeaways, the top takeaways of this leak, so that you guys can learn and implement them in your own businesses or apply the knowledge to what you're doing with SEO. So let's dive in and go over the biggest takeaways. The first one is domain and site authority. Despite Google's claims, domain and site authority are factored into rankings. So how do we do that? Well, we obtain high quality backlinks from authoritative sites. This is really key to ranking better and improving your overall authority. Consistently produce valuable and relevant content also is important, and you can use a tool like Journalist AI to help you create tons of content quickly, tons of content, SEO-rich blog posts. The more content you create consistently and quality content you create, such as blogs or social media posts on your website, will help you gain more authority and will help increase the chances of backlinks, because more sources are going to pick up your articles, your social media posts, and they're going to link back to them, and that will in return improve the authority of your website, in turn improve the authority of your pages, and improve how you're ranking on Google. So again, you can rank higher than your competitors, and that will get you more traffic and all the other things that come with more traffic. The other thing that the leak has showed us was the quality of backlinks is super important. Google analyzes the quality of backlinks and assigns values to them. You also want to engage in guest blogging on high authority websites. This can improve the quality of your backlinks. And lastly, you can use tools such as Ahrefs or SEMrush to monitor and improve backlink quality. The main takeaway of this is you do not want to have backlinks to spammy sites. This is going to hurt your authority, it's going to hurt your ranking, it's going to hurt your quality as far as how Google will perceive your website. So that's the worst thing. You want to use those tools to make it easier to monitor your site and how it's ranking and what kind of backlinks it has. The next point, the next takeaway from this is with EEAT for YML content. What do I mean by this? Well, EEAT is experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness is crucial for ranking, especially for YMYL, your money or your life content. So this all kind of bubbles up to the surface to help your ranking and your quality score within the Google algorithm. So what you want to do to improve this is showcase author credentials and expertise. You want to make sure that in your articles, in your content, in your blogs, you're showcasing these credentials to basically bubble them up and make the authority of what you're posting more rich and easier for Google to rank. You want to also use reliable sources and cite them properly. This is also important. Again, you don't want to link to spammy sites. You don't want to use spammy or resources that aren't vetted, that are not verified. And lastly, you want to ensure your content is accurate, up to date, and trustworthy. This is all important and all plays a role into everything that I've been talking about, and it has been said by Google that this plays a huge role. So you want to make sure that you are doing this in the content that you're consistently releasing. The next part of this is unique titles with keywords. It is important for you to create a unique title for each page of your site and include your target keyword early and naturally. You don't want to keyword dump. You don't want to make it spammy. You want to include it where it's naturally and written for humans. So perform, how you want to do this is perform keyword research to find the most relevant terms, the most valuable terms to include in your content that you're posting, whether that be blogs or articles or social media. You want to write descriptive and engaging titles and incorporate those target keywords. That's important. That will play a role in helping you rank better. And you want to avoid keyword stuffing and keep titles natural and user-friendly. Again, the algorithm knows if you just dump in a bunch of keywords, it looks spammy, it hates it, and it's not going to help you rank any better. It has to be natural. Short form content is the next takeaway. This has been proven to be important. So from short form content, we can still rank well, especially if it is original short form content. So how we want to do this is focus on delivering concise and valuable information in your short form content. You want to also ensure your content is unique and offers a fresh perspective. And you want to optimize your short form content with relevant keywords and meta descriptions. Again, if you're doing videos that are short form content, shorter blog posts, whatever content you're putting that's short form on your website, you want to make sure to do these things so that you can be optimized and rank better. The next really big takeaway is the importance of published dates. Published dates matter more than many SEO experts thought when it comes to the Google algorithm and prioritizing the freshest content available. So the main takeaway from this is to regularly update old content and keep it fresh and relevant. This is where using a tool like Journalist AI really helps, because writing fresh, valuable content each and every day is super hard. If you use a tool like this, you can produce rich SEO-rich content with internal links, external links, keyword focused content each and every day, multiple times a day with a click of a button. So definitely make sure you're using a tool to make it easier to produce regular content. It'll be a lot quicker for you. You want to clearly display and publish your dates that you're publishing the content. And you want to produce timely content related to current events and trends, because that is what's going to keep you at top of mind. Google wants to show people the freshest, most relevant content to them, and doing that in your own website will help keep you atop of the rankings and keep you in favor of the ever important algorithm. But those are the key actionable takeaways of the algorithm link. Make sure that you are using those keys and those takeaways in your SEO business to improve your SEO, whether you're a business owner or you're an SEO expert, or you're looking to optimize your website to get more traffic and more sales. If you want to try the tool Journalist AI, make sure you get the free trial below via the link to make your life a lot easier and to capitalize on these things that Google says are important in ranking better, ranking higher in terms of the algorithm.